Good morning students. Once again I welcome you in class 6 English. So this is our second unit. The unit name is Childhood Adventures and this is our second poem, and according to the chapters, according to this unit, poem is Foreign Lands. So yesterday I explained about the childhood adventures, right? The child's ambitions. Child is very ambitious, he has lots of desires, and first time he saw a different views in his life. Before he never see before it again. So I also inform you that he compares the river as a glass of the as a mirror of the sky. Then first time he climbed on the cherry tree and he looked the different lands around there, different gardens and the roads also, and also says I saw the dimpling river also. So yesterday I explained all these things. Today I will explain the last two stanzas. It says that if I could find a higher tree, further and further I should see, to where the grown-up river sleeps, into the sea among the ships. So see, if I could find a higher tree, he says what? That if he could find the higher tree, it means very long tree, and when he climbed on that tree, then after he could see a very furthest view of the world. That's why he says that if I could find a higher tree, further and further I should see. He himself says that I want to see the lots of land, I want to see the lots of further land, but before it I need a very higher tree, very long tree, very longest tree. Then after I could see. So here says that what does the poet wish for the stanza 4? What is the poet's wish in the stanza 4? So says that in the stanza 4 the child is captivated by the panoramic view from the distance, that the child hopes for a much taller tree. Thus I told you that if the taller tree, then he could see a captivated panoramic view of the distance. The child's imagination runs with the flowing river, and to point where the river joins the sea and flows among the ships, the child longs for the sight of the ocean. So what did he say? That if he could find, if he climb on the tall tree, so he could see a river that joins to the oceans, and also when on the surface of the ocean's water the ships is moving, then he can also see that. That's why he said this thing, that I need a taller tree. Then says that what does the child mean by the grown-up river? Grown-up river means what? So the child says what? That the river is long and has been there for ages. It means the river is very long and it is indicated the ages of the river. Last stanza says that to where the road on either hand lead onward into the fairyland, where all the children dine at 5 and all the playthings come alive. See, that it is the imaginative word, right? It says imaginative. That to where the road on either hand lead onward into the fairyland. It means if the road in his hand, so he turned the road and towards the fairyland, where all the children dine at a 5. Dine at a 5 means he could play with it 5 times and 5 times 8, and all the playthings come alive. Whatever the toys the children are playing, right? With the what are the toys with the children? Means the children are playing with the toys. They are alive toys, right? Not a non-living, but it is the living things, and he could play with the. It means the children can play with these living toys. So it is his vision. It is his wishes. So here the question says that what does the child mean by the fairyland? The fairyland means what? That it is a land into the child's imagination where everything has its own time and where there is lots of fun time after dinner. Dine at 5, it means 5 time dinners. After the dinner times he playing with the toys, but they are living toys. So students, here we can observe the child's imaginative world. He is very ambitious. So students, here I complete my poem. Now today's homework is, little bit much homework, that you have to solve syn passage number 3 in your worksheet, unseen passage 1 and 2 in your worksheet, question answers right here to write down in your notebook, and letter writing number 1 in your worksheet, but second number it is your in homework. So students, today I hope it's very much homework, but I hope you will complete till the next week, because next week I cannot send any videos from English. Thank you.